Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Top 5 cryptocurrencies to watch this week: BTC, ETH, BCH, AXS, EOS. If Bitcoin clears its overhead resistance level, ETH, BCH, AXS, and EOS could resume their uptrend with surprising strength. The bulls are attempting to achieve a strong weekly close for Bitcoin, BTC, while the bears are attempting to regain their advantage. Analysts are closely watching the 200 weeks moving average, which is at 22.705 USD, and BTC's current setup suggests that a decisive move is imminent. Many analysts expect a weekly close above 200-week moving average (MA) to attract further buying, but a break below it could signal that bears are back in the game. Although the short-term pictures looks uncertain, analyst Caleb Frenzen say that Bitcoin has been in an accumulation zone since May. Meanwhile, on-chain analytic firm CryptoQuant highlighted increasing outflow of Ether (ETH) from major exchanges, totaling 1.87 million USD coin on July 22. Usually, outflows from crypto exchange suggest that traders are bullish for the long term. Hence, they may be moving their coin to stronger crypto wallet for safety. Could Bitcoin resume its recovery, attracting buying in select altcoin? Let's study the charts of the top 5 cryptocurrencies that look strong on the chart. BTC USDT. The bears tried to sink Bitcoin back into the symmetrical triangle on July 23, but the bulls had other plans. The rebound of the breakout level from the triangle indicates that buyers are defending the level aggressively. The gradually rising 20-day exponential moving average (EMA) of 21.865 USD and the relative strength index (RSI) in the positive territory indicate an advantage to buyers. If bulls sustain the price above the 50-day simple moving average of 22.384 USD, the BTC Tether USDT pair could rally to the overhead resistance zone between 23,363 USD and 24,276 USD. A break and close above this level could open the gate for a rally to pattern target at 28,171 USD and then to 30,000. Conversely, if the price slips below the 20-day EMA, the pair could decline to the next support at 20,500 USD. The pair has formed a falling wedge pattern on the 4-hour chart. If buyers drive the price above the wedge, the pair could recess at 24.276 USD. A break and close above this level could signal the resumption of the uptrend. The 20 EMA is flat and the RSI is near the midpoint, indicating a balance between supply and demand. If the price turns down and breaks below the 50 SMA, the pair could drop to the support line of the wedge. ETH USDT. Ether is facing stiff resistance at 1,700 USD, but a positive sign is that buyers have not given up much ground. A tight consolidation near the overhead resistance increased like the likelihood of a break above it.
So thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.